How to change a car key battery? This tutorial is about car key FOB for Volkswagen and Škoda. This particular car key is from Volkswagen Sharan 2nd generation. For battery replacement, we need to prepare three things. New battery, which is marked as CR2032, for example from Panasonic, Varta or Duracell. It's 20 mm in diameter and 3.2 mm in depth. It's lithium 3 volts battery and costs about €2 or $3. Then, our car key with old battery inside, and something like flat knife or in my case small screwdriver to open the back part of the car key. Alright, so flip out the key. Now just put a little screwdriver here like this and from the other side as well to release back part of the car key. The alternative way is to open it just with your fingers, but it is not so good for the plastic cover. Now you can take back cover of a car key and you see the battery inside. This particular battery is from Panasonic. Use the screwdriver and lift up the battery. Put it in to this section here and leave the battery out like this. Positive side is facing you. It is also marked on the back side of the cover with plus symbol. So just push new battery in with this side up. As a last step, just put the cover back in place. To check that you've done everything alright, just press the button and watch red light blinking. The same process will be for car keys from Volkswagen Group, such as Seat or Škoda. This one right here is from mine Škoda Octavia 2nd generation after facelift. Year of production is 2012. As you can see, the car key is practically identical except of Škoda emblem. Okay, that's it. I hope it was useful for you. Please like this video and leave a comment below if you have any troubles. Thank you and see you next time.